Certainly. It's fascinating how cartoons can be adapted to suit different cultures and audiences around the world. Here are a few examples of cartoons that have undergone interesting changes. When broadcast in other countries, Pokémon, in the original Japanese version of Pokémon, characters consume onigiri rice balls. However, in the English dub, these are often referred to as jelly-filled donuts to better suit the American audience. Additionally, the character Brock's eyes were altered in the English version due to concerns about racial stereotypes. Dragon Ball Z. The original Japanese version of Dragon Ball Z featured a lot of scenes with characters consuming alcohol. When it was brought to Western audiences, these scenes were often edited or censored to remove references to alcohol. Sailor Moon. In the English adaptation of Sailor Moon, some characters' relationships were altered or toned down to be more suitable for younger viewers. For example, the romantic relationship between Sailor Uranus and Sailor Neptune was changed to be portrayed as a close friendship. Doraemon. In some countries outside of Japan, Doraemon's name has been changed to better suit local languages or cultures. For example, in the United States, he is known as Doraemon, Gadget Cat from the future. One Piece. In the For Kids Entertainment English dub of One Piece, several aspects of the show were heavily edited or censored, including removing references to death and altering character appearances. This resulted in a significantly different viewing experience compared to the original Japanese version. Astro Boy. When Astro Boy was brought to Western audiences, certain episodes and themes were altered to make them more suitable for children and to comply with broadcasting regulations at the time. This included toning down violence and making changes to dialogue. These are just a few examples, but they highlight how cartoons can undergo changes when adapted for different cultures and audiences. Sometimes these changes are made to ensure cultural sensitivity or to comply with broadcasting standards, while other times they are made to make the content more appealing or understandable to the target audience. Thanks for watching. Please join us for this type of content.